Shine, shine, shine. Shineworks. Yeah. Your car deserves the best. Your car deserves the best. Morning sun or evening drive, dusty roads won't stop your vibe. Call us once, we'll be there fast. Make your car shine bright at last. Phone wash, polish glow. Watch your car steal the show. Doorstep service, clean and smart. We treat your car just like our heart. Shineworks, we make it shine. Every car looking brand new, fine. From inside out, we do it right. Turning your door right into bright. Shineworks, call us today. We wash your worries all away. Your car's beauty, our guarantee. Interior clean, fresh like new. Teflon coat with shining view. Ceramic touch for that rich glow.